Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is show you how to swap MELD tokens and pick up RAWDOG and other tokens that are available on this DEX. So Azomi is a brand new DEX. It's the first one on MELD. So if you guys head over to meld.com, this is where we're going to spend a little bit of our time. We're going to open up the app, and I've got 6 steps for you in this video. So that will be 6 steps to get you from ADA all the way to RAWDOG. So if you guys get something out of this video, smash a like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Step number 1, create a Meld wallet. This will be the Meld desktop wallet app. So of course, Meld, this is your non-custodial lending and borrowing DeFi protocol. Basically, you could set up a non-custodial wallet, meaning you own your seed phrase and you can connect the top 6 leading blockchains. So we're going to show you specifically how to bridge your ADA to Meld and then use Meld to pick up different assets. Specifically on the micro, it's going to be RAWDOG. On the macro, you can pick up USDC on Meld, Bitcoin, etc. So head over to the top right, go to the Meld app. If you have not set up your Meld app wallet, all you're going to do is go to the Crypto Moose channel and you're going to type in Meld app. You could even put tutorial perhaps. And here we've got several different videos. One specifically called how to set up a Meld app beta wallet. This is how to set up a wallet. So use this as your guide to help you along with your crypto journey. Okay, so this is what the Meld app looks like. Here is the LP tokens I have for what I've provided in terms of liquidity. We will be doing another video on this. So I'm going to show you how to provide liquidity, and that will be a separate video. But first, you got to learn from this video how to get to that point. Ultimately, we're going to show you how to bridge Meld, etc. So the next step, step number 2, you want to connect your Nami wallet. So if we take a look at the top right here, we've got our ability to connect a new wallet. So we're going to go to connect new wallet. And here I've already got Nami connected. But let's say you haven't done that, just click on connect wallet. So it's going to connect, and now your Nami wallet, which is your Chrome extension wallet, you can now connect this to your Meld. So this is going to be the easiest way for you to swap some ADA, Cardano, and pick up some Meld, then bridge it over, etc. You can even swap Copy, but I don't know why you'd want to do that. Okay, so if you have not done that, head over to namiwallet.io, go to add to Chrome, follow the steps, and of course, if you guys go here and type Nami Wallet tutorial, I have a YouTube short, so for under a minute of your time, you can learn how to set up a Nami wallet, and then I have a more in-depth version. So this teaches you how to set collateral, how to send, receive, etc. Okay, so that's the next major step, is to connect your Nami wallet. So once you do that, if you go to Meld, if you have some, you will see your Nami logo. Okay, so here I only have 6, but that's just to give you an idea. Okay. By the way, in this tutorial, I'm really guiding you. I'm going to take you by the hand, walk you all the way through to the finish line. But if you are more advanced, you can already go to step 4, 5, and 6 and just get on with it. Step number 3, what we're going to do now is show you how to swap ADA for Meld. So to do this, we're going to use a DEX aggregator. Ultimately, this is going to get us the best price, and we're going to be able to swap ADA for Meld. So Dexhunter.io, I've been using this. Basically, it pulls from different decentralized exchanges and gets you the best price on your swaps. Again, all you're going to do is connect your Nami wallet. You can choose between different options. If you're a MetaMask user, this should work as well. But in this tutorial, I'm showing you with Nami. Okay, so all you're going to do is go to the top left, hit swap, and then you're going to set your amount you would wish to swap for Meld. So you buy Meld, you're going to do, for example, 50%, 25%, whatever you want. Let's say you have a small balance. So I don't have a lot of ADA in my wallet. I did this on purpose. So what we're going to do is send some ADA to our receiving address. So pick up ADA on whatever app you want. And what we're going to do is send just a little bit. Other than having enough Cardano in your wallet, especially because you're going to use a little bit of ADA Lovelace to sign and perform transactions, you can also make sure you have a good internet connection. And on top of this, go to the top right, click on Collateral and set that. So this will help you make sure that you have enough ADA Lovelace when using smart contracts and performing transactions. So now, if you want, you could even refresh. So we'll do that real quick. And all we're going to do is set an amount. Let's do 50%. Let's do 756 meld. Let's perform the swap. Okay, so we're going to perform the swap. And if you want, you could also make sure to set an appropriate limit for your slippage. So here we have 0.5%. I find that that works well. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. So now if we head over to our wallet, and again, this may take a little bit of time for you, but currently we have 5 meld. This will be adjusted. So we're going to be able to really make this work for us. So instead of having 6 meld, we will have more like 1,000 meld when this transaction is over. So here we can view order, and it looks like this transaction is successful. So now we're heading back to our wallet, and just to give you a visual, we now have 752 meld. So we now have meld on Cardano, and it's basically that easy. So the next step is to close Dexhunter. We're now going to bridge from meld ADA to meld on meld. So I currently have meld on meld. We have 76,000 tokens. So that is 76,221. Let's add to our position. Just in case some of you have not done this before, we're going to bridge some tokens. So we're going to go over to meld on Cardano and click on this little bridge. You can also go to the right and click on bridge as well. So here we're going to select our asset, meld on Cardano, because this is where we want to go from. And we're going to bridge over to Cardano to meld. Okay. So we are routing Cardano to meld using meld. Okay. So what we're going to do is select how much we want to do. Let's just do our max, or roughly our max. Maybe we'll leave a little bit extra. I tend to do that in case I need that asset. So what we're going to do is put in 700 meld, and we're going to bridge meld Cardano to meld on meld. All right. So now we're going to review this, and next we are going to bridge it over. So again, check this out. Make sure everything's proper. You can also do this to an external wallet. So we're going to hit bridge. All we're going to do now is sign a transaction, and we're now bridging 700 meld from Cardano to meld. So again, we have 76,984. All right, so it took a little bit of time, but now we've bridged our meld from Cardano's chain onto the Meld blockchain. So here we now have added 700 meld to the meld on meld. So we're going to refresh our balance just to make sure that everything's updated correctly. So we now have 76,921 meld on meld. Now we can dive into step number 5, and that is to connect Azomi via Wallet Connect to this Meld app. So all we're going to do is head over to the link tree. I've got this pinned down in the description below, and it's also under the comment section as well. What we're going to do now is click on RAWDOG. So this will take you to rawdogpumps.com. So this is the website. If you are going to pick up this token, this is not financial advice. Invest at your own risk. And I do suggest that you head over and watch the interview with Fareed, the founder of this project. I think they're doing a good job here. So all we're going to do is head over to buy RAWDOG. So that is going to be with the top right. I will also have a link to Azomi in the description for you. So the best way that I found has been to connect via Wallet Connect. So in the top right, click on Connect and click on Wallet Connect. From there, it's very simple. All we're going to do is copy this connect your wallet. Guys, there are several different ways in which you can pick up the token, but this is the method that I found works. So I'm going to copy this Wallet Connect, and now we're going to go back to our app.meld wallet. We're going to go to Wallet Connect and paste right here. So I'm going to paste that link, click on the red logo. Now, if you take a look under dApps connections, we've now got Azomi and Meld communicating with one another. So if we go to Azomi, we're now going to be going back and forth, and you are going to see your wallet and your balance reflected in the app. And I did find that it did take a little bit of time to load. I've already done this, so just give it a little bit of patience. For me, it took a little bit of time to load up my assets. So now we can get into step 6. This is the one you've been waiting for. Some of you, I assume, have already jumped right into that. So now we're going to swap Meld for RAWDOG. So there's a couple things to keep in mind. Number one is to make sure that you have enough Gmeld. So I will add in the description as well as in the comments, I will pin it, any information on that to help you make sure that you have enough Gmeld. Comment down below if you have any questions on that. And also, I recommend to keep a little bit of extra Meld. So now all we're going to do is go to UPay, select token. We're going to click on Meld, and we're going to select the token we want to pick up. In this case, on the micro end, we're going to be picking up RAWDOG. Okay, so we've selected Meld, and we're going to pay with Meld and receive RAWDOG. So currently, just for reference, we've got 102,493 RAWDOG, and we're going to update that. So we're going to do, for example, 750 Meld. So that's around $9. Let's say you got $10. You can add a couple thousand RAWDOG to your portfolio. So here is where a lot of people are coming up with issues. It's the slippage. So click on slippage. And for me, what I found is that if I set it to 1.2, it works. So if you do 0.50, which it should be set at, you're going to run into issues from my experience. So I'm going to do 1.2, and I find that that works. Okay, so make sure to set your slippage to 1.2, all the way up to 1.5 if you have to. Next, you're going to click on swap. Okay, so here we're going to see what we're going to get. So again, we're going to add 2,500 RAWDOG. We're going to have a tolerance of 1.2, and we're going to hit confirm. Now we're going to go back to our Meld wallet, and we're going to be able to confirm here. So confirm and sign. And then we're going to go back. And here our transaction has submitted. So we can close that. And now we have a pending transaction. So here we're going to go from 102,493 RAWDOG to roughly 105,000. So under transactions, you can see some other ones that I've done. So here it's just pending, but once this finishes, you're going to see your balance in your wallet. I just refreshed the page. If we head over to our balance, we now have 105,000 RAWDOG, and we can go to Meld scan. So we swapped 750 Meld roughly for around 25 to 26,000 RAWDOG. So that is how you pick up RAWDOG using Meld. And also we're going to refresh our balance here. And just to give you guys an example, you can now see that we have 105,000 RAWDOG. So guys, comment down below if this tutorial helped you. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can pair and provide Meld along with RAWDOG and get a sexy high APR. So guys, head over to the link tree. We've got online courses. Guys, also comment down below how many RAWDOG tokens you have. Head over to Tangem, save 10% off using code Moose, and we have other links for you as well. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.